Hello, join me today for a 15-minute Qigong with a special focus on the hips and shoulders. This can be a good daily routine to help with the hips and shoulder mobility. We begin in a standing position. Unlock your knees. Bring your tailbone forward to help you flatten and relax your lower back. Relax your neck and shoulders. Tuck your chin in to lengthen through the back of the neck and relax your entire body. We begin with a spinal rotation. Keep your spine nice and long, your shoulders and your arms nicely relaxed. Your lower back feels neutral and comfortable. Allow the body weight to sink down into your hips and your legs, all the way to your feet. Establishing a strong foundation, a sense of grounding and stability. Allow this movement to happen naturally. Allow yourself to let go and relax any tension from your upper back, shoulders, and the arms. Begin to slow down. From here, make your hands into a loose fist. Let's release some of that tension in the upper back. Inhale as you shrug your shoulders. Exhale as you sink down and relax. What's important here is to feel the effort when we tense the muscles and relaxation that follows. One more time, inhale and exhale. From here, open your palms, inhale as we turn to the side, exhale down. When turning the body, keep your shoulders aligned with your hips and your spine nice and long, maintaining a good, solid structure. If your shoulders are good, go ahead and perform big arm circles. If your shoulders are sensitive, or you're recovering from an injury, or just one of those days, keep your circle as comfortable as you wish. Change direction. Remember to breathe well. Inhale on your way up. Exhale down. Notice I have a slight bend in my knees, so it feels like the whole body is connected and moving together. From here, go ahead and lift your hands overhead, dancing with a rainbow. The breathing here, inhale on one side, exhale on the other. This is a good exercise to help us open and stretch the side of the body, targeting the liver, the spleen, and the gallbladder meridians. One more time, inhale. Let your hands calm down the midline and relax. Moving on to the hip rotation. Keep your knees fairly straight, your lower back relaxed, and draw a nice round circle on the ground. Then go ahead and transition into the teacup exercise. Matching the movement of your arm with the rotation of the hips. Very good for the brain. Allow your shoulder, your elbow, and your wrist to move gently, rotating at a comfortable pace. The breathing here is natural. The more you can relax, the more natural and comfortable the breathing becomes. Well done. Switch sides. This exercise is not too fast, not too slow, just enough for us to create a rhythm and sync the whole body together. So everything is connected. There's a lot of movements in the joints, yet it feels comfortable. A few more times. Well done. Relax for a moment. Next, we're going to do external shoulder rotation. It's very good for opening the chest, as well as working and conditioning the muscles of the neck. Inhale as you turn your head to one side. Exhale as you return to center. Inhale, turn to the other side. Exhale to relax. There is no need to push far to the back. Listening to your body is important, just enough for you to open the chest, rotating those shoulders outward and looking comfortably at your thumb. My hands remain at the hip level, so there is less effort keeping them up. I focus all my attention on opening the chest and the meridians running down my arms. Well done. From here, move into the spinal wave. Drawing the experience from the previous exercise, work on opening your chest as well as relaxing your lower back and gently massaging the muscles of the spine. Keep the movement comfortable without putting too much effort, especially when it comes to the lower back. Keep your feet grounded so you remain stable. Allow the muscles to soften, to lengthen, allowing blood and energy to circulate better. Hello, Altai. Very playful. Begin to slow down the movement at your own pace and come back to center. Another great exercise for the spine and the shoulders, the whipping willow. It works the legs and the lower body, as well as the spine, the obliques, the shoulders. Inhale as you go up. Exhale down. Keep the movement natural and soft so we feel no strain, no pressure. The more you can relax your shoulders, the better you feel. One more time on each side. Well done. Let your hands relax. Step out to shoulder width apart and begin moving your hips in a figure of 8. At the same time, bring your hands in front of you, drawing a circle on the ground. Take a moment to establish a strong connection to the ground through your feet, as well as open your palms, creating pleasant and warm sensations in your palms. This exercise is very good for strengthening the kidneys and the lower back area, as well as nourishing the entire body with the energy of the earth through the feet, through the palms. Return to center and change direction. Keep your attention primarily on the lower body, as well as the center of your palms, the Lagom points. Allow your mind to become neutral and calm. Balance your heart and simply observe the physical sensations in your body. Continue for a few more repetitions. Keep your palms open and receptive. Notice what sensations are building up in your hands. Return to center. Take a moment to feel all the energy you've built up. Then go ahead and take a nice deep breath in into your abdomen as you let your arms expand to the side. Exhale, bringing the hands closer together. Focus your attention on the breath and the location, the lower abdomen. Feel the energy accumulating between your palms. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. Take a moment here to stay still, to feel the energy between your palms, concentrating your attention within on the lower dantian, feeling present, connected, and grounded. Bring your feet together and finish the session. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you feel good. Enjoy the rest of your day.